let's say you completed your project, you created your subtitles, which took forever to make, and then you export it using export subtitles, and you saved it in whatever folder you wanted. Your project is rendering and it's finally rendered. Then you go ahead and you open it. I like to use VLC player. So you go ahead and you open it in the VLC, and you want to see the subtitles, right? So you add the subtitle file, subtitle 1. All right, it's added. You're scrolling through your footage and you're not seeing the subtitles at all whatsoever. And you're just like, what the heck? I did everything right. I exported the subtitles separately. Don't panic, you didn't do anything wrong here. So by default, if you go ahead and open a new timeline, right? And you hit OK, create it. By default, your timeline settings are set to 01. The time code is 01, which is already telling the system that it's 1 hour in, right? So what you really just have to do is find your timeline using like right click, find timeline in media pool, right click it, go under timelines and change the starting time code to 00. Now try exporting the file again. Let's do test 1. Okay. Now go back to the clip, this clip right here, open it, VLC, okay. Let's do it at the very beginning. Go under subtitles, add subtitles file. The new one that you exported, find that one, which is this one right here, open it. Now play it, and your subtitles are on the screen. It's just a very quick solution of changing the time code of your timeline. Enjoy, guys.